The Ford OBD temporarily disabled warning in Ford Escapes indicates a problem with the vehicle's intelligent forwarding system. This warning appears on your dashboard when the system detects an issue that requires the four-wheel drive to be temporarily shut down for safety. Ford's intelligent Ford UD system automatically engages when needed and consists of several key components working together. Let's examine these critical parts that make the system function. The transfer case electronically distributes power between front and rear wheels. The rear drive unit contains an electromagnetic clutch for engaging rear wheels. The control module monitors wheel slip, steering angle, and throttle position, while temperature sensors prevent overheating during operation. Here's a detailed cutaway view of a transfer case showing the internal components, including the input shaft, clutch assembly, drive chain, and output shafts that work together to distribute power. The warning appears for several reasons. Overheating accounts for 45% of cases, typically from extended four-wheel drive use on dry pavement. Electrical issues cause 30% of problems, including corroded connectors and faulty control modules. Software glitches represent 15% of cases, often from outdated calibration or false sensor readings. Mechanical failures account for the remaining 10%, including worn electromagnetic clutches and internal component damage. Here's an example of a common electrical issue: a corroded connector that can cause communication problems between the four-wheel drive system components, leading to the warning message. Ford has made significant improvements to address these issues. Technical Service Bulletin 23-2156 provides updated diagnostic procedures for newer models. Over-the-air software updates and PCM calibrations help fix false warnings and improve system diagnostics. Additionally, Ford has extended warranty coverage for 2020 through 2024 model year. Escapes experiencing recurring four-wheel drive system issues, providing better protection for owners facing these problems. When the forward temporarily disabled warning appears, start with these immediate troubleshooting steps. First, perform a complete system reset. Next, perform a visual inspection of key components. Check the rear drive unit for damage or debris, and inspect all electrical connections for corrosion or looseness. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, professional diagnosis and repair may be needed. Common solutions include software updates, component cleaning, and sensor replacement. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. Software updates are typically covered under warranty, while major component replacements can be more expensive. Regular preventive maintenance can help avoid these costly repairs. Follow a scheduled maintenance routine to keep your forward-D system operating properly. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help ensure your Ford Escape's forwarded system operates reliably. Address warning lights promptly and use only Ford-approved parts and fluids for best results.